Leaks are starting to paint a clear picture of Apple's first foldable iPhone, and it looks like the company is taking this category very seriously. According to recent reports, Apple's foldable iPhone is now close to its final design stage and is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. Rather than being a risky experiment, this device feels like a carefully planned addition to Apple's ecosystem, focused on power, durability, and everyday usability. One of the first noticeable changes is the redesigned volume button placement. Instead of the usual side position, the volume buttons are reportedly moving to the top, right edge of the phone. This isn't just a visual change. By relocating the buttons, Apple frees up valuable internal space, which is especially important in a foldable design. That extra space helps improve the hinge system and also makes room for a larger battery. On top of that, moving the buttons reduces stress around the hinge area, which could help the device last longer with daily folding and unfolding. Apple is also said to be bringing back Touch ID, but with a modern twist. The fingerprint sensor will likely be built into the power button. This makes a lot of sense for a foldable phone, since Face ID can be tricky depending on how the device is folded. With Touch ID in the power button, users can unlock the phone quickly whether it's open or closed. It's a simple solution that focuses on convenience and reliability. The camera setup also shows Apple's attention to detail. On the outer display, the phone may feature a single punch hole or pill-shaped cutout, keeping the design clean and familiar. On the inner display, Apple is rumored to use under-display camera technology. This would allow for a full, uninterrupted screen with no visible cutouts, making activities like watching videos, reading, or multitasking feel more immersive. If Apple pulls this off well, it could be one of the cleanest foldable displays on the market. Internally, Apple seems to be prioritizing durability above all else. The motherboard is reportedly placed entirely on the right side of the device. This layout improves structural strength and leaves more room for the battery and display components. Foldable phones often raise concerns about long-term reliability, and this internal design choice suggests Apple is trying to solve those issues from the ground up. Powering the foldable iPhone is the new A20 Pro chip, paired with Apple's in-house C2 modem. This combination is expected to deliver top-tier performance while staying efficient, even with two displays running at once. The battery is another major highlight. Leaks suggest a capacity of around 500 mAh, which would make it the largest battery ever used in an iPhone. For a foldable device, this is a big deal, as battery life has been a common weakness in this category. With this setup, users can expect solid all-day performance, even with heavy multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The camera design on the back also stands out. Apple is reportedly using a horizontal dual-camera layout housed in a black plateau-style module. It's a different look compared to current iPhones, but still minimal and premium. The phone's frame is said to be made from titanium, which adds strength without too much extra weight. This choice reinforces Apple's goal of making the foldable iPhone feel solid and high-end, rather than fragile. When it comes to displays, the foldable iPhone is rumored to feature a 7.8-inch inner screen and a 5.5-inch outer screen. The outer display is designed to be simple, with no extra buttons or switches, making it easy to use for quick tasks. The inner display, on the other hand, offers plenty of space for multitasking, watching content, and getting work done. Together, these screens give users flexibility depending on how they want to use their phone. Apple's launch strategy is also interesting. Instead of replacing the Pro models, the foldable iPhone is expected to sit alongside them as an alternative. This gives users more choice without forcing anyone into a new form factor. Color options may be limited at first, possibly just white and one other color, which fits Apple's usual approach for new product categories. While these details are still based on leaks, the sources behind them have a strong track record. If this information is accurate, Apple's foldable iPhone could be one of the most polished and practical foldables yet. It looks like Apple isn't trying to reinvent the iPhone overnight, but instead blend innovation with the familiar experience users already trust.